Hey guys, JJ with ACR Studios. Today we're talking about flying with cameras. So between the TSA and airlines, they'll let you fly with a carry-on and a personal item. Now the unknown hack to this is the personal item can be a backpack. So this backpack, even though it's as big as my carry-on, it can fit a whole lot. It is still a personal item because it fits under the seat in front of me. So I love this backpack. I think this is low pro. You can fit a lot in here. It's got great dividers. So when I'm flying, I prefer to have the essentials with me on the plane rather than trusting my life to the baggage handlers. So a few of the things I prefer to travel with include the camera body, because I'm gonna need that. I think I left it right around here. Oh, thank you. So this is the old trusty FX3. I also prefer to bring glass with me, not that glass. Lenses, a little more valuable, a little more essential to the shoot, and also just fragile. So keeping these out of the hands of baggage handlers is great. So whether I'm flying with big lenses or small lenses, I prefer to bring them with me. Also, you should be aware that certain items have lithium ion inside of them, so like your iPad, this MiFi, they have built-in batteries that make it so you can't check them, so they gotta go with you in your personal item or your carry-on. Any filtration, I'll also stick in my carry-on or my personal item because it's glass and fragile. I also got media readers with me and accessories for the FX3. So basically with this kit, I have everything I need to jump off the plane and start shooting at least some B-roll. Wait, what's all this? Honestly, I prefer to rent wherever I'm going to fly with as little as possible. In this case, I'm actually renting quite a bit more than this where I'm going, so like the GNE, tripods, that kind of stuff. If you're ever flying to Phoenix and you don't want to have to fly with a bunch of crap, give us a call at ACR Studios. We got your back.